crab is briefly roasted and then kept aside. A crab masala is prepared and the crabs are finished off in it. I'm going to start with a special spice paste. In your food processor, add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 4 to 5 shallots, roughly 1 cup, 4 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of sliced ginger. I'm also going to add a quarter cup of water and I'm going to grind this to a smooth paste. To roast my crabs in a big kadai, I'm going to add a quarter cup of coconut oil and I'm going to allow it to melt. Add about 10 to 12 curry leaves. Next, add in some blue crabs. I've cleaned these and they are about 600 grams after they've been cleaned. Add in 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And just stir fry this in the coconut oil and allow the crabs to get a little bit scorched on the outside. Keep these aside. To make the masala, add half a cup of coconut oil and to this add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Add 2 cups of sliced shallots and saute this for a little bit. Next, I'm going to add in 4 cups of sliced onion. Shallots are sweeter and have more of a garlic flavor. If you need to substitute the shallots, you can replace it with a combination of onion and garlic. Saute the onions for at least 10 to 15 minutes till they are nice and mushy. To add in 4 green chilies that I've slit in half and half a cup of curry leaves. Add salt to taste and all of the shallot paste that I prepared earlier. Add in 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of hot chili powder. For color, I'm also going to add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and saute everything together. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. This is optional. And saute everything together. Next, add in 2 tomatoes. I've just sliced these. This is roughly 2 cups. Mix this in and allow the tomatoes to soften. You don't need the tomatoes to disappear completely. As your saute pan gets really hot, just add a little bit of water as needed. Once the masala is nice and thick, move it to one side and add in 1 to 2 more tablespoons of coconut oil. Add in all of the semi-cooked crabs and just mix everything together and allow the crabs to finish cooking in the thick gravy. Garnish with half a cup of chopped coriander and enjoy.